Hi, it's Josh from Apt Electronics here at CES 2016 with Kathy at 3D Systems. One of the biggest booths here, so much innovation, so many things going on, and you got something special here to honor a special person. What is happening here? This is a little different than some of those 3D printers that we see going back and forth and laying down filament. Can you explain what we're seeing here? It's kind of out of this world to me, but maybe you can clarify.
It is totally out of this world. For our 30th anniversary, we wanted to take a step back and look at the original patent that was filed by Chuck Hull. So Chuck, of course, is still with us, still innovating, and when we looked at the patent, we realized that he had something called Figure 4, which was a drawing that had 3D printing literally almost upside down. And of course, the prospects at the time were to be super fast, have all kinds of different materials, and just be magical. Because at that point, nobody knew what 3D printing would do. Well, go forward 30 years, stereolithography, which was his technology, is still the most widely used technology in the field. Okay?
It's amazing.
It's truly amazing. There's not a prototype or a wind tunnel model that doesn't get to us through SLA. So what we decided to do here was to honor him and actually bring Figure 4 to life.
It's very cool.
So using this robotic arm that you'll be able to see in operation, they're actually using a resin. They will 3D print very, very rapidly. It will raise the product out, the opportunity to shake it off so that it is dry, and then it will deposit it so you can continue to look at it. And we're printing round the clock. The concept is a pure technology exploration here today, but the capabilities are obvious in that you could have an array of these. You could actually change manufacturing. We'll be able to integrate multiple materials. This is really a killer way of showcasing Chuck 30 years and what SLA can still do today.
It's very cool. There's like a liquid here, and then what's happened? There's like some kind of projection underneath. Like, how is it working?
Well, what has to happen is in any stereolithography process, you need a material and you need a light source. So the resin is the wet material that you see. The light source is projecting and literally creating each cross-section slice by slice of the part being printed. It happens extremely fast, so you almost can't see it, but as your cameraman really focuses down, you'll see the little light show. It's actually quite stunning, and then over time it will lift it up out of the resin and you'll have your finished parts in a variety of shapes and sizes, and we've been printing all day. I'm not sure what's in the mix right now, but we've printed 5 wonderful little devices in 15 minutes, and they're over there in the printed part box.
And that's one of the big deals, is that with this type of technology, what takes 6-7 hours is taking like 10-20 minutes, right?
Exactly, and maybe over time even less.
All right, very cool. Now, this is just to show off the technology in general. This is not like something that someone's going to be buying in the near future, right?
We are not in the market of selling futures, but we are in the market of showcasing the possibilities.
Very cool. Well, it's really neat the way this machine works and that technology. Hard to believe you're saying 30 years old.
30 years, absolutely.
Very cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, a lot more coverage here at CES 2016. We've got a lot of 3D printing machines and cool technologies.